Hello, I welcome you all. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important thing because this is basically the lifeline of your work, that whatever you are doing during whole the project, this is the area where you will control all that work. Okay, so this is basically the log, a log which is a reflection of all those NCO notification of change orders that you have claimed, and you will know a quick status whether this variation order is approved or this is rejected, or how much the actual quantity we have claimed and how much it is approved from the client or the authority. Okay, so in this particular sheet, this I will attach it with this video so that you can download it, you can use it, you can read it, study it, so that it will helpful for you. Okay, so what we are doing basically here, on one side, when we get any instruction to do additional work, we are start making the procedure as we have did in our previous classes. Once we finish that one, we will submit this to the authority, and there is a comment coming from the authority, and that particular comment is basically showing that this claim is approved, disapproved, or need some additional information. Based on that, you need to store all those particular information in this sheet. Okay, previously we have discussed that in the first column, this is the same column like a quantity sheet, but there are some extra and additional columns, so that it will help us to know that when we initially how much the amount was approved, then we remeasure. We will discuss this, what is the meaning of this remeasure, so that you have a better understanding. Then there is a evolution evaluation, then there is a evaluation from the client side. So we will see all the difference, that initially we claim this amount, then it will go for the approval, we approve, we get this much amount. Then when the project has been finished, we remeasure all these items again. At the end, this is the quantity, and we will submit this again to the client, so they will say, okay, this work was done according to this drawing and according to site condition. So it will verify that, okay, this much quantity is approved and this much amount is approved. Okay, and at the end column, as you can see, there is a variance. Variance mean basically what we have submitted as a remeasurement and what they have approved. Okay, if there is a difference, it will write it over here. For example, in this case, that supplying, laying, jointing and testing glass fiber reinforcement plastic pipe 800 diameter. So this was an item. Initially the rate was approved at 1200. Okay, so quantity that we have submitted, that our quantity is this much, is 922.40. So this multiply by this is the amount that is coming. Okay, so this is the amount that has been submitted to the authority for approval. As you can see that when they evaluate, they agree that, okay, this quantity is 922.50 is right quantity, so we need to write it again here, and the amount will be the similar, of course, and see, there is no variance over here. Okay, so this is the first thing. So here you should very quickly know that what happened to this variation, that the amount we have claimed, that is, and amount we are getting is same. If there is a same, that's good. If there is a less, we need to trace what is the reason where they are get deduct over amount. So there is again a debate if there is a logical mistake made by the evaluator. Then in the second, if you see, additional quantity for supplying, laying, jointing and testing glass fiber reinforcement plastic GRP pipe 800 diameter, that is again in linear meter. This quantity is 462. NCO approved, it's the rate is been approved, the quantity is same, and the amount is this much. And this, as you can see, this is been rejected. This has been, if it has been rejected, there is a reason. We need to trace that particular reason, so we will just consult back to all our work. Okay, so I will take you there, and so that you should know that how it is actually working. this is basically the whole uh, folder for one particular NCO, that is basically AB4 parking. So we will start looking at this, that where the mistake is. So this quantity all we have took, so we just copy from here and paste it there. So we will try to track it where the problem was, where the issue was arises. We will see the drawings again, we will see the documents attached. Again we will again attach the WIR, means work inspection requested, that this work we have done. When we substantiate all over item, that over item is genuine and you have to pay to this amount, we can revise that particular application and send back to client that you have to accept this is over genuine claim. Okay, so this is basically that how you will record your data. Okay, so how much you have too many variations. You see, as you can see, there are a lot of. Okay, this is we are doing from the beginning to the end. Okay. Okay, so this is all basically coming as a order. See, there are too many variations that is been we have claimed, and it is not possible to manage this in a folder. So we are making this log so that it is easy to trace that how much the quantity we have submitted, how much it is approved. So it will help us to manage all over work, so that whenever, for example, I need to know that where is this lowering and protection of existing utilities. Okay, so if I want to know about this particular item where it is located, so I will just on keyboard I will say control plus F, and I will try to search it. See that this has been now easily traceable, so that I can, if I want to know that what is the approved amount, what is evaluated amount, what is the basically this reference number, in which reference number we have submit this. So all this thing will be very easier for us. Okay, so this is basically how you can command and control your work. But be sure that if you are working on this particular log, this log must be updated on accurate basis. If there is a one mistake, for example, if there is a mistake over here somewhere, so this mistake will cost to all the figure, all the amount. Okay, for example, if you see here that there are all of amount it is coming, that we are saying okay, if, 530 2,935, this is the amount. But if there is a mistake, so this whole figure will be coming under the doubt. Okay, so you need to be very focused, and you need to be very clear, and you need to be lot of exercise, and keep this updating on the daily basis, so that there should be no differences. Okay, if there is differences, the purpose of this sheet will be failed, and it will cost you from all around the project. Okay, so this is basically whenever there is you are making any claim, put over here, then you are submitting, it is coming back, then again you need to update that this amount I have submitted, this amount it has been approved. Then there is another phase when the project is finished, when the work activity has finished, you need to remeasure all those items again, then submit again. Once you submit, they will review, the authority will review it, they will agree, okay, this work has been done according to the condition of the contract and our requirement. That is the final approval of your work has been done. So that amount, like for example, this amount, 35,420, this amount was claimed, and this amount 35,420, okay, they said this much amount is okay, so we are going to approve this, and this amount will be paid to the contractor. Okay, so this is basically the whole concept. Then based on this, we have the bill summary, this project summary, where we will mention that okay, our change order is up to here is 14,245,000 it is coming. Okay, so this figure is basically rely on this item. Okay, all of these items, and these all are rely on the backups that is been signed from the client, from the contractor, and from all the authorities. So I hope you will get all the basic needs, basic requirements, that how you can manage your work, because it is most important that you have to manage your work, because for the 2 years or 1 year you have only one sheet log that will help you to understand all these particular jobs. Thank you so much.